Hi everyone, this is Ashley.
And this is Mike.
So once again, we are going to unpack or unbox S20 Plus. So that is the box. It's actually dark. S20 Plus, and there's a plus sign. And that's it.
So, shall we proceed with the unpacking?
Go ahead, please. so So the S20 Plus comes in four different colors. It has cosmic black, cosmic gray, cloud blue, and the aura blue. So what we have is the cosmic black. There you go. Okay. Wow, sleek.
Okay, so let's just set this aside for a moment and
Let's check out what's in the box, or what are the other things inside the box. So nice. And the charger. Okay.
USB Type C.
Mm-hmm.
So end to end seems to be a USB Type C.
Oh, really?
And
That's
then,
why I noticed it is small.
is there something inside this?
I don't think so. Nada. Okay, it's just for some, but I actually like how they pack it or how they put it in the box.
Okay, and then we have the
Cable
USB cable.
for the charger.
And lastly,
We have the AKG. That's a headset for the phone. And oh, okay. If you check on it, I believe it doesn't have the 3mm anymore. That's a USB Type C as well.
and some additional buds.
Okay, yep. If the other one, or if the original doesn't fit to your ears, or if you're not comfortable, then you can use the other pods.
Okay, so going back on the box, I think at the top of the box it also has some contents. Let me just, how can I put this aside? Can you hold the phone first, Ash?
Yep.
Okay, so here's what's left at the top. So what we have here,
The pin, is it the back?
actually it's
The case, the jelly case as well, and the quick guide,
quick guide,
and the pin. Oh, the warranty card, of course.
and the pen is at the back.
Okay, yay! So that's the pin. So, again, it has the phone. Can you show it? So the phone, and the charger, the cable, and the headset, which is all of it would be, or are USB Type C.
Alright, so just to take note of S20 Plus, it doesn't have the space zoom compared to the S20 Ultra. Alright,
Yeah.
so just to take note on that.
Yes, because they actually Samsung has this three variants. So really, for the SM series, from the S20, the S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra. The Ultra is the zoom that can zoom up to the moon. They said it's 100 times zoom.
And for the S20 only, it's not available on
In the retail stores.
it can be only bought
Um, they said, okay, oh, the seller said that the S20 can only be purchased, or you can only get it if you have a plan. So it's for plan like globe plans or smart postpaid plans and the like.
This is for Philippines. I'm not sure if that is also the case in other countries.
Yes, as of the moment, that's how it goes in getting the S20 series. So maybe maybe they could actually offer the S20 in retail stores, but at this time it's not available. So the
And in the
only in the
Philippines.
Philippines, okay? So the only available would be the S in retail stores would be the S20 Plus
And Ultra.
and the Ultra, yeah, for the S series. Anyway, you don't have to worry because all of the specifications that we haven't actually provided will be in the video itself. So all you need to do is read through it. Just letting you know that we got the cosmic black color. So again, it comes with 4 variants, and all of it will also be shown on the description.
Okay. So shout out also for Silicon Valley.
Yes, we bought this one from Silicon Valley, and they help us in getting through the purchase. In fact, when you actually buy the S20 Plus, it comes with a freebie, the buds. It's not the buds plus,
Plus.
but it's the buds itself. So it's free, and you can actually show it in the price. If you purchase this individually, it's worth, well, it's in the box. It says 5990, or around 6,000 pesos. Okay, so I think it's worth it. And aside from that, when you purchase the S20 Plus, you can actually get the monitor.
Mm-hmm.
And what's the other one?
Uh, Actually, a 50% discount for Earbuds Plus, or um, you can get a free 128 GB micro SD card.
Okay, so that's a freebie for the S20 Plus.
But this is for
Um,
the month of June.
June only.
So, unfortunately, I guess as you watch this, you won't be able to avail it. Or hopefully, there's a different promo when you watch this. So, keep an eye on the Samsung website for
For
the,
additional information regarding the freebies that they may offer.
or what is the current promo when you buy Samsung
Yeah.
products.
The monitor one and the micro SD, I think it lasts until the 12th of July. So hopefully when you watch this, you can still get it. Okay, so just to add, though the S20 Plus has a jelly case, we still prefer actually having another case. So we bought this Spigen case for the S20 Plus, and it's actually worth 900 pesos. Don't worry, because it's worth the price. In fact, we're actually solid Spigen user for the case.
Okay, so let me just try to have
Open it.
a quick unpack of this one.
Yeah, quick overview, quick view of the case.
Okay, so we just bought the cheapest first because we want to have a case as soon as we have this S20 Plus.
Yeah, and it actually has the same design with mine. So I don't know why. I like the design.
So this is rugged armor
Yeah,
design.
it's actually nice. So easy to hold, and
Thin, and if you're you need thin a bit thin cases for vlogging because of course if you're going to put it on a gimbal or any tripod or setup, this will be convenient.
yeah, you don't need to remove the case from your phone if ever that you are going to use it, because this one is rather thin than other cases.
There are more, or there are thinner cases of from Spigen However, of course, we prefer soft cases.
Jelly cases.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because we believe soft cases lessen
The
the
impact.
impact when
Ooh.
if you drop it, of course,
If you drop
accidentally
your
drop.
phone.
But we don't intend to drop it.
You don't, of course. It's the phone is expensive, though I dropped mine accidentally. So yeah. Anyway, this one. So anyway, that's it for now. So um, Spigen is actually cool. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Maybe you can sponsor some additional cases.
Just kidding, but yeah. If you guys would want to buy, like um not that cheap but a quality case, and we can actually look for Spigen.
Okay.
Anyway, that's it for now.
Yes. And again, if you're interested with this product, you can check our description.
Mm-hmm. So watch out for another series of unboxing in the future.
Have a good day.
Have a good one. Bye bye.